Okay, so a little story time and a little bit of a lesson or trick, I guess. I have the hiccups right now. So when I was in like the first or second grade, I was listening to the radio, driving in the back of my dad's truck, and I remember specifically them talking about ways that people get rid of hiccups. And I don't know, for some reason, I cued in, was really tapped in, I was listening, I was focused, and they were saying this method of how to get rid of your hiccups. And I remembered it. To this day, I've been using it. I'm now 23 years old. This is for first grade, y'all. And I still use it and it still works. So let me show you. Hold on. So what you're going to do is you're going to inhale for 10 seconds. Hold your breath. Hold it for 10. It's kind of weird to like explain it, but like push it into like your belly, like your gut, like your diaphragm. And then you're going to inhale again for 5 seconds. Don't exhale the first 10-second breath. Inhale again for 5 seconds. And then inhale again for five more. Don't exhale at all. So you're holding your breath for 20 seconds. I know it sounds like a lot. Don't pass out. If you pass out, it's not my fault. But I'll show you. So you're going to watch them disappear in real time. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Oh! Just kidding. Didn't work. Let me try it again. Run it back. If it doesn't work, try it again. And this is where like the passing out thing can happen, but don't pass out. Got it. All right. And you know, like sometimes when you do it right, you can literally just tell you got your hiccups and they're gone. Like now, they're gone. Blah, 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 blah. Yep, they're gone. You're welcome.